My French. On your mark, get set, shuck.
First I was afraid, I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never live without you by my side.
Oh, careful. Careful with that knee. Oh, look at these pros going at it. Notice the calm that Sean is displaying. Sean, over the last 4 years working at the Matunic Oyster Bar, how many oysters? You must have thought about it, because you average how many a day? What is your number? 10,000, 20,000? What do you think? More than that. I'm low. How about you, John? Tens of thousands? How many years you been doing it? 10 years. Oh, yeah. He's the vet. Now, Neef, how many oysters have you shucked in your career? Well, not a lot, but not this small. Well, this is a demanding art for sure. Oh, it looks like Sean and John are kind of on schedule here. It's very close. Neef, be careful. You're doing well, though, buddy. And we're going to test them. We're going to have Perry test them to make sure that they're all clean. And all right, Perry, please be the judge so we can declare a winner. Sean, I hope you don't lose your job, buddy.
1 second onto that. 1 second after that.
Although if maybe Perry can make an offer and you guys could work shoulder to shoulder.
Add 2 seconds onto that.
Add 2 seconds onto that. Uh-oh. We may end up with a tie. If we end up in a tie, these two gentlemen are going to mud wrestle for the championship. Maybe we should make you slurp your own oysters. That would be a great plan, wouldn't it? Oh, that would be sweet. We'd have to get approval from the management. Is it really?
1 second for that.
1 second. John, I think you finished more than 1 second ahead of Sean, so let's have a gentleman's handshake. You both are awesome shuckers. And believe it or not, the first time in the history of any oyster festival anywhere in the world, we have a happy couple as oyster shucking champion. Come on up here. And the oyster slurping queen. We bow to your oysterness.